Hey guys, in this video I'm going to let you know how you can make payments to non-Barclays account using the app. You can make payments to non-Barclays account using the Barclays app, especially for domestic transfer within the same country or the region. So here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Barclays mobile banking app and then navigate to the payment section. And while you're on this page, if the recipient is not already set up as a P, you need to add them by providing their account details. This usually includes their name, account number, and sort code for UK payments or other relevant information depending on the country and currency as well. Now, depending on the Barclays security procedure, you may need to verify the P's detail or undergo additional authentication steps to ensure the validity of your transaction. Now enter the payment details. Once the payment is set up, you can enter the payment amount and any additional information required, such as reference or memo, and review the payment details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the transaction. Now Barclays may require additional authentication, such as entering a security code sent to your registered mobile number or using biometric authentication, etc. After confirming the payment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transaction was successful. The recipient should also receive the funds according to the processing time of the respective bank involved. So that's how you can make payment to non-Barclays account using the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.